Let's dive into something that's been a bit of a roller coaster for Samsung fans, One UI 7. After months of delays and some serious growing pains, Samsung has just begun rolling out its long-awaited update, but not in the way anyone expected. If you're sitting there thinking, oh great, another delayed update, think again, because Samsung has pulled a fast one, launching the update way earlier than most anticipated, and it's already hitting flagship models. Now I know you've probably heard the drama, the bugs, the delays, the frustrations from users around the globe. But here's the twist. The One UI 7 rollout has officially begun, and it's starting in South Korea with devices like the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy S24 FE, and even some tablets like the Galaxy Tab S9 series. And this isn't some half-baked beta version. No, this is the real deal. The hefty 5 gigabytes of updates to bring everything up to speed, including the all-important April 2025 security patch. So what's really going on here? Is this the redemption Samsung fans have been waiting for? Before we dive into the details, hey, welcome back viewers. Sam here. If you're excited about the Samsung update, or if you're just here to see what the fuss is all about, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. All right, let's break it down. Here's the kicker. Samsung had originally promised that the One UI 7 update would roll out in early April, with more devices following suit in May and June. But a nasty bug caused them to pause the rollout, leaving many users in limbo. Then, just as the skepticism was building, they started pushing out the stable version, and not just for a select few either. Samsung's flagship models are first in line, meaning devices like the Galaxy S23, S24, and even some of their high-end tablets are getting this update right now. You didn't expect that, did you? This update isn't just about fixing bugs. One UI 7 is bringing some exciting new changes like smoother animations, updated widgets, and even a more customizable experience. But wait, there's more. Samsung is doubling down on security, adding more privacy features, and fine-tuning performance across the board. Sounds promising, right? But before you get too excited, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the rollout. It started in South Korea, but what about everyone else? It's going to be a phased rollout, so don't panic if your phone isn't getting the update just yet. Samsung is expanding it globally in stages, and by May, we can expect to see more devices receiving it. From the Galaxy S21 to the S24 FE to a slew of foldables and tablets, Samsung is covering a lot of ground. But here's the catch. Are they really going to stick to this schedule? After all, they've had some setbacks before, and trust is running a little thin. But if Samsung can pull this off, it'll be one of the most massive and fastest software rollouts they've ever done. Imagine every Galaxy device from the S21 to the Z Fold series running One UI 7 with Android 15 running in the background. That could be a game changer. So, will the company live up to its promise, or will we be left waiting for another update to fix all the bugs? Now let's get into what you can actually expect when this update lands on your device. While the full list of features is still rolling out, here's a quick rundown of what we know so far. Smoother navigation, better performance, and tighter integration with Galaxy A. And for the Galaxy S24 and S23 series, it's like getting an upgrade to your digital assistant, bringing even smarter features to help you manage your day. Plus, a fresh new set of privacy controls and the ability to dive deeper into Samsung's ecosystem with more customization options. Sounds like the future, right? Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Samsung has shown it can deliver some of these updates, but it's the consistency that matters. Will the One UI 7 rollout be smooth sailing, or will there be more bumps along the way? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure, Samsung is putting its best foot forward with this one. So, are you ready for One UI 7 to hit your device? Let me know in the comments if you've already received the update or if you're still waiting for your turn. I'll be keeping you posted on the rollout, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the new features. As always, if you want the latest updates on everything Samsung, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's wrap this up before I end up talking about Samsung all day. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!